Today we're going to have a bit of a maths art crossover today. Quite a few of you in art in Year 7 are doing the fish project, and we'll be looking at doing some tessellations like acacia on them, and this is one we're going to have a look at how to do today. This is a sketch I've just quickly done to show that we're tessellating the actual fishes onto here. You can design however you want. We're just going to make sure you have to make a little template to be able to draw the fish in like this. Okay, so what we need is some cardboard. Now I've used a shreddies box into this bit here, and I'm going to cut out my fish template on here. So I'm going to start, I've already got cut here. Now a lot of times you've already got your 90 degrees set up on there, so it's easier to use something already. So I'm going to go along here for 6 centimeters. And again, you can make these as small and as big as you want. If you do smaller ones, you get a lot more tessellations. 6 centimeters, and join that up. Okay, I'm going to cut that out. Okay, then we've got our square here. And we're going to sketch in the first part of the fin onto this bit. Now, if you do it too close to here, it catches into the mouth. So we move it across a little bit onto here and just sketch yourself there. And then we're going to do the mouth, which is on this side. Into there. We'll use the scissors, and we're going to cut these out. Now we need to match these up on the top, so it's opposite here, and this one is on here. The easiest way to do this is find one edge, and that is 7 millimeters onto there. It doesn't have to be too accurate on these ones, and I'm just going to put it there. Get some tape and it on. Now I like to turn it over and tape the other side as well. You don't have to do that, but it just makes it a little bit stronger when you're drawing around later on. Onto here. That's the tail bit. Now I'm going to measure down from here, and that's 12 mil. 12 mil there. Put that onto here. There, turn it over and put some on the back. Now obviously you can do also things, you can take corners off of these ones and then do the same on the other side. So you have to, whatever you do on one side you must do to the other side to make the tessellation work. Okay, so I'm going to start anywhere on the page. You can start in the corners if you want, but I prefer starting somewhere in the middle and building around it. So you get that lovely sort of like sketched out feel towards the end of these. That's the outside, so just draw around. Okay, so we move across to the next one. So like I said, I like mine just to sketch out towards the edges. I like how it comes out and overflows into these parts. You can hang it for the edge, or you can just fill it up like a full tile. It's totally up to you. It's how you want to be creative. Now, when you've been cutting these out, depending on how accurate you are, sometimes they don't quite line up. So I like to go over with a pen or another pencil afterwards and just sharpen it all up again. Okay, now at this stage you can rub out the pencil marks. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to go straight for sketching onto here. I like to separate the head out first of all. Gives me a focus onto these bits. Now you can double it up. coming out. So I will let you play, you design it however you want to do them. These ones on there, loads of colour on these, it might be quite nice fading off into this bit. You can do it on coloured paper and then use a pen, a ballpoint pen onto these ones so you get different effects as you're working through. Okay, enjoy. Calculator.